Welcome to Mountain Rat Unlimited. We're a little vertical right now. Come join us for more. Can we take all that? Some poor bastard had to stand there and pull that handle a lot. Somebody shot this. Oh yeah, we're going down that. I'm not scared. It's about to get vertical.
What are we doing?
Going up and playing in the hills for 4th of July. It's tomorrow.
We got a house.
Ooh.
Well, maybe this is the mountain that Jess was talking about. Pull up here and get out and look.
That don't go. Watch your paws, Buckers. Watch your paws.
Butter.
Who said we wouldn't fit?
Break out the biscuits. We just buttered it.
Buckers.
The house may have settled. I'm not sure.
Well, they redid the inside. Somebody.
Lay down on that. I will give you $10 if you lay down.
The mother of mother baby care book. Somebody stole the book. Only gets the cover. Bastards. Is there a door over here to go in there?
No, there's no more doors.
Is that the pooper? That was
No.
the hot water heater room. What's in the cabinet?
Nothing. It's just a cabinet with lots of poops. And then like a closet. There's no shower or anything.
Good thing they have this locked. You don't want break-ins. Oh! Yes, now we know where the stove is. I promise when I'm done laughing I will help.
Me too. Here,
Earthquake test.
Yeah. Just there's nothing really up here. A lot of storage space and a bunch of rat turds. And then there's like a board missing to get to the other side of the ceiling.
Huh.
Yes. There's a basement too.
Colin, stay alive. We will find you.
Poof! Don't leave me.
That's up there back of the house. They call the merry-go-round. They had horses that.
Oh.
What's over here? There's another building down here. I'm not going down there alone. Just ran up a hill. Don't worry about me. Fuck if you fall in there. Another pooper. Only there's no sink in this room. Only there's no sink in there, so I think that's the men's room. Ooh. Heel.
Teacher.
A teacher.
What is that? Signal port. Oh, there's another one down there.
Yeah, it's sketchy looking. So I didn't go down there. I was like, I'm good. I don't want to go down there alone. I don't feel like dying. teacher! What's this building? Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's a heck of a deer stand right there.
Yeah. You can climb up the ladder. Wow. It's like mine.
Yeah.
Where the cart went and that's where the building.
I'll get that drone and mess with it out here.
Maybe we should figure something out here.
Yeah.
But I still think it would have been
That is cool.
Don't trip over that.
Neat.
There's a ladder. That's what it looks like.
Boiler. You got it all. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Big old steam engine. Then the other deal way up in there. That is cool.
Of course, Stu. That is cool.
Now, would that have been the water tank? This guy?
I'm assuming. Some sort of something over there that turned and...
Mm-hmm, ran something.
Over there, somebody's really taking the wood. Nothing but the range left.
Wow.
And I'll bet that's because that's either actual fir wood or cedar, I'll bet. That's why somebody jacked it. Oh yeah, somebody shot this one. The bullet's still in there.
Huh?
Somebody shooted it.
Oh, cool. Huh. Any oil in there?
I think they need to lube their bearings.
It ain't got no gas in it.
That'd have been cool to see.
That used to be up. How'd they get that up there?
Good question.
Back when men were men.
That's right.
And they hold this shit in here with a wagon.
It's really cool in the back. Buckaroo.
Sorry, Colin! I was waiting for onto the hood of the crowd. Oh, this is for sale. We can buy it.
Oh.
Yeah, I was trying to make it as smooth as possible. Well, there's a sport. I think we were up here on that side. Corey and I were up in a place. I don't remember. It's over there somewhere. And I don't think you can go up there now. I think they've closed the road. But it was a road that was like this, and it was steep on both sides. And the road was not as well as this road. And it was steep enough that when we were driving through there, the vibrations from our vehicles was making rocks roll down into the road. And so I think Corey's the one that took a rock to the wheel pretty hard. He's going and it wham! Like a basketball-sized rock. Yeah, his wife and kids and my girlfriend all got, we're walking, you guys. Okay. Yeah, the poor bastard that had to make this road. Right? With his dozer. Or, I don't know, maybe this was made by hand. There's a cabin down there. Pretty sure it was built by hand. Looks like people have been turning around. Oh.
I won't fit. That one, I can confirm by looking at that one, I won't fit.
Oh, you're droning? Yeah, and droning might tell me what's on this road up here, so I don't want to back down that. Oh, you're out there now. Oh, there you are.
People could go in it. They have it gated for nothing. It dead ends.
Yeah, it's only about 15 feet deep.
Maybe 15.
You'll be the windshield camera?
The windshield cam.
Okay, well I've got the lid cam on too, so.
You got a really good view over there. Video this from out?
Is that the secret word for I'm gonna get out? Is there a star in my seat over there, Colin? And we about got coke out of our nose!